elections, and I was there outside the Capitol building watching in disbelief. And the fallout continues, as you say. In a letter published today, House Speaker Nancy Pelosi told her fellow Democrats that the House of Representatives will move to impeach President Trump over his role in inciting a violent mob attack on the Capitol. That's if he doesn't resign first. But the president shows no signs of quitting. And back on Twitter, which he's just
His resigning is not required. You go for re-election. If he has to any question about the democracy election system, because that is the whole world is not believing that election has become fair. As you have to go again re-election as you have sufficient money. You does not know your cloud house is being in the straight line. That you have to make this straight line because the man-made cloud is becoming straight line. Your election system has also man-made become crippled. Now you have to make this straight line transparency. There should not be any doubt on this election system. तो तुम्हारा जो क्लाउड बना रहा हो मैन मेड इज ट्रांसपेरेंट no need to resign yourself. You ask that re-election that has to count all postal votes first, then go to election. You keep this result and give this election commissioner by postal that all postal count has been completed. You have given that envelope for all state result without declaring those results. Nobody to see this.
I am outraged by the violence, lawlessness, and mayhem. The demonstrators who infiltrated the Capitol have defiled the seat of American democracy.
And they may be Jaividanath people, they have entered in this group. They are doing wrong because they have done lot of wrong things in the name of racism. But for one black people, the whole world they have made turmoil. No, that bogus people. So many police has been killed for racial reasons. One police by mistake done anything, but this whole universe has been turmoil by this one black again or white. So many people white has died coronavirus, more than 2 million. 2 million, 3 lakh, 0.3 million. Or 1 crore, 3 crore, 2 crore infection. That for that you are not bothering. You are not asking who has caused this coronavirus development, because biowarfare, you know this all biopathogens in your laboratory and those are going out. You do know this about digital scam. What it's doing by these people in my computer, internet, Instagram, everywhere. तो सब लोग बुकबास कहते थे, सब पेट में वो जॉय बुडन को बांध के लेकर आ रहा है और ब्रीडिंग कर रहा है. No, re-election करो. Yes, re-election, sufficient fund is there, sufficient time is there, very intuition into this. You see this difference in vote. If this vote, where there is his objection, you go to those states votes. Up to 2014 electorate, where it has been stuck, those leaving those places and all the rest, you go for election. You to convince him, because I have noticed badly after 214 how he has been stuck at his number, but this man has got sweeping. That is very abnormal.
I actually was wondering how his supporters might feel having been told by him to go and make their feelings known in the Capitol just a couple of days ago.
But that impeachment, you are again wrong, because you have wrongly elected. Those first you have to decide your post on those areas again have to be decided by re-election. where President Donald Trump was struck down by 2014, and at where collection count was of the Joy Biden. If it is a 10-20 difference, that is okay. But those states you have to again recount. Re-election, you have to re-elect. Re-election done, and then you have to recount. If again he has been defeated, until he has to, all has to be very clear about this postal vote. Postal vote has to be taken. There will be no chances that who has not given vote, you will go home to collect his voter, you copy digitally his voter signature and to bring those people, if that vote manager to help just like Trinamool. Because if it is 10% vote has not come turn out, the Trinamool party was to give this टुप जैसे कांग्रेस टू डीप छप्पा वोट उसमें पूरा भट देख दिया, कोई दे ही देखा, वो हो गया फेयर डेमोक्रेसी, वो कान्ना क्राइंग एंड डू थिंग भालगार डांस आई दिस मागी डांस कही जैसे हम इट कैनॉट बी बिलीव फास्ट यू गिव अटेंशन आई विल सेटल ऑल योर प्रॉब्लम because the democracy that wrong criminals cannot participate, who is liar, who has stock duplicacy in talking, who has not fair, transparent, even who have the giant voice. The giant voice is that all liars, criminals are the giant voice, the imposters. The Democrats are the giant voice, the dacoit voice. They are shrewd, criminals, imposters, liars. The Islamic terrorist fund, Satanist fundism, sex progressive, violence progressive, because they have shown a lot of crimes in doing the racial black. I have not, because they are not talking about that climate. Climate is not for carbon dioxide. Climate is not for carbon dioxide. Heart attack, heart attack, heart attack. That premature death killing. That you have to much attention. You bogbas, stop bogbas, stop bogus talk.
They have remained confined to Democrats and a handful of Republicans who are speaking publicly. It has not gotten the kind of momentum that I think would be necessary at this point to use that extraordinary step, though, as Lebo mentioned, increasingly in Congress, the Democrats are talking about impeachment proceedings for a record second time against the sitting president.
But what would an impeachment of President Trump achieve when he has only 12 days left?
May not be possible because the newly elected senator or others will not be accepted. You have to go again, revote, recount, because once it is a complicacy has raised about these posters going home, manipulation digitally, who have not given vote, you have by copying the signature and making the ballot, you have put the ballot count, that is not. You have to show why you have done counting later on of the postal vote. Postal votes already you have to counted and then started your direct vote, because this postal vote you are counting later on, that is a so quick advance this technology in the science of these people. And the vulgar Democrats, this blue whale has everywhere there ready-made people to go home and to collect those things, or making just like Indian fake currency, they produce ready-made vote ballot paper तैयार कर दियो. मामी क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक बोल रहे हैं? Fake voter, fake voting, it is not required, because India needs a lot of in this TMC or communists are doing in that large. If it is 20% by booth capturing, it is created vacancy. The 25% people will not come to able to give their cast their vote. So these party members, they will be one way, because if you have vote run by this the same culprit government, then it is the democracy has become very fake. Democracy, what it means? The democracy hypocrisy.